This is how to make a prickly pear picker, fruit pickers. Okay, and this is the fruit that you want to make, is to do this, pick up this fruit right here. Okay, and what you need is just a PVC pipe and a rain sprout. Okay, you cut it to pieces, and then you drill the 4 hole here, and then you get the metal strip here, and you tie it down, screw it in. Okay, and then you also need a long screw here. Okay, in order for it, when you pick the fruit here, inside here, and then you just twist it, and then it will fall inside this rain sprout right here. Okay, and then it won't fall down here because it gets stuck with this screwdriver right here, screw here. Okay, and there's 4 screw here. You can put the nuts and the washer on, and it's very tight. It's the best, very safe. You don't get thorn on your fingers and all that. You just pick it, put it in the fruit like that, and then just twist it like that. Okay? And the PVC pipe, you have about 5 foot long. Okay, this is a very cheap way to make, an easy way and fast way to make it, rather than go buy an expensive fruit pickers.